Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete watch history on TikTok. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. Now launch your TikTok application and make sure also that you're logged in to your account. So you have to simply make sure that you're logged into your account right here. So here on your TikTok, what you're going to do next is you have to click or tap on your profile. On your profile, you need to click these three lines at the top right corner. And then here you have to look for settings and privacy. Now in the settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and look for content and display and tap on activity center. So here on the activity center, you will see different options, including the watch history. So what you're going to do here in order for you to delete watch history is just tap on the watch history option. You will see here the list of videos that you have watched. So as you can see, these are the features. And in order for you to delete watch history, you just have to simply select that specific video or tap on select and then select that specific video. But if you want to delete all watch history, you just have to click select and then tap this one right here and then delete. So that's how easy it is. When you delete this video, it will no longer appear here on your watch history. You can also filter the date, yesterday, last week, and so on. Just select, tap on apply, and that's it. You can now delete your videos right here. So in case that you encounter some problems with this, that means you need to update your TikTok if you can't see this feature. So basically, that's how easy it is to delete watch history on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.